Yo, what up peeps? So your boy there again, you see me? Me I tell a star. I come across the video today with a brother pirate popcorn song or the only man you want, you see me? And I tell you say yo, the man, sell up. Me I tell you say yo, Jamaican alone know how to twist things around and make it work. Me I tell you yo, the man bad. Bad. And the man put the moon twist on it, you see me? So me not gonna hold it no longer, you see me? But that's how I'm gonna make you check out the song because I tell you have to see for yourself in order to believe this, you see me? So check it out.
Slam them slim, some of them fat, look like Beyonce, some of it snap, but me tell you say the ugly one me want, and the ugly one me want. She not have no teeth, but she look sweet, me are the beauty, the two are the beast. Tell you say the ugly one me want, and the ugly girl me want, yeah. My girl, you are my favorite monster, eh. Look like Godzilla, I mean I lie. Me take a fake 5 feet on conk and the girl make the onion cry. Pretty wanna get mad when we pass. Paparazzi I take photograph. She scared me go to the Christmas party, girl I bust the cameraman glass, eh. Meet the man and dog we get bold. Me love her, she scared to come from home. Last night we walk past Old Train, me girl wake out the dead out the tomb, but me love her.
Man sick.
I will never fuck without a rubber. Need a city.
As you can see, yo, the man sell off star. The man know how to twist it. Yo, the next video, yo, we come across the video, yo, a bunch of kids having fun. I don't know where, but as you can tell, you know, they're making the environment very useful, you see me? And fun is what you make it. Them I run around, them, you just remember me at Jamaica, play hide and seek, football, cricket, all them things there, wrestling. You just make you know, because we never had Disneyland them things there. So them just make them, we make the environment with Disneyland. So yo, Jano Star, you just remind me so much growing up back in Jamaica, you see me? So check out that video, yeah, he bad. Wow. Not a care in the world, you see me? Just fun, just being kids. Wow, man. This is good to see. I hope this can happen everywhere in the world. Well, as you see again, I tell you, it makes me feel, you know, like, you know, you want to go back to Jamaica and turn a kid sometime. Remember I go to school, I go river, I go swim and them things. And I tell your mother, you see me? But as I can say, past times, you only can't think, you know? But if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. One view at a time. Peace out.